Ayan, mga malaman sir, sa mga naghahanap po ng mga spell jars like business success spell jar, money magnet oil, all-in-one anointing oil, all-in-one powerful word bracelet, mga anting-anting, mga lucky charms, mga pampaswerte, mga spell jars, relationship repair spell jar. Ayan, visit me sa Facebook page, Bono Magos, and mag-ask lang kayo doon kung ano mga available items. Pero, pwede nyo namang diretso kayo doon sa Shopee store namin, Buno Magos, hanapin nyo lang. Buno Magos Shopee online store. And then yung mga items, okay? COD, kaya cash on delivery pwede. So, ayan po. Thank you so much for listening. Hello, Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus placements. Mga madam and sir, kamusta po kayo? I hope na nasa mabuti po kayong kalagayan today. So, ayan. Alamin natin kung ano ang ganap sa inyong love life. Okay, love life naman tayo. Love reading. Okay, bago magsisimula, gusto ko lang isabihin na, of course, as always, this is a general reading. Hindi po ito magre-resonate po sa lahat ng mga nanonood ngayon. So, ayan. Let me just adjust the camera for you. Alright, let's start. Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus placements. Anong ganap sa love life? Anong nangyayari? Okay, anong feelings ng person mo? Sa'yo, any intentions? Tignan natin kung ano ang mga dapat ninyong malaman sa ngayon. Okay? Anong nangyayari sa love life mo? Anong ganap? Okay? Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus placements. Love life. Alright, Aries. Ooh, you have the 5 of Swords. Let's see how baliktad. Sorry. Let's see how this fits into your situation. Okay. 5 of Swords. Ayaw ano. Ayan. 5 of Swords. You have the Knight of Swords. Okay. You have the Page of Wands. Diyan na muna. Overall energy, 5 of Wands. Mukhang may kompetensya dito. May kakompetensya ka sa pagmamahal, sa relationship, or maybe may nangyaring away. May nangyaring away, argument, pagtatalo. Okay? Tignan natin dyan. Lagyan natin dito. So far, I feel like there's someone in your life, Aries, na gustong pumunta sa'yo. At parang gusto kang ipaglaban. Okay? Nagchat-chat kayong dalawa. Yeah! Gusto kang ipaglaban. Oh my goodness. Gusto niyang ipaglaban tong nararamdaman niya sa'yo. Whoever this is. My goodness. Okay? Wait lang Gusto kayong ipaglaban, and I feel like nagchat-chat kayo ng person na to. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Another Aries, it could be a Leo, it could be a Sagittarius na kausap mo. It could be a air signs, Aquarius, Gemini, or Libra. Okay? Tignan natin ano pa. You have the 9 of Wands, you have the Page of Swords, you have the Hangman. I think may pinaplano yung person mo. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo, third party to. And kinukumpara niya. Nakikita niya yung comparison. Kinukumpara niya yung buhay niya, magiging buhay niya sa'yo, and yung sitwasyon niya ngayon, kung sino yung kinakasama niya. Sa mga, sa mga third party dyan. Okay. Long distance. Some of you, it could be a long distance. May plano siyang puntahan ka. Oh my goodness. I think this person wants to be with you forever. Yung iba sa inyo. Okay, ito. 9 of Wands. This person won't let you go. Okay, ito I think this person, if this person is already in another relationship, gusto niyang, gusto niyang gusto niyang kumalas. There's something about someone here. May isang tao dito na nakatali. Hindi makagalaw, hindi makakilos. Pagod na pagod sa relasyon. Okay? Toxic, in a toxic relationship. And there's someone here who wants to help you get out of that situation. Parang gusto niyang tulungan ka na makaalis. Okay, I'm seeing different scenarios here for you, Aries. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo, if yung person mo is in another commitment or relationship, parang gusto niyang kumalas na kasi toxic na yung relationship nila. Toxic na. Laging nag-aaway. Pagod na itong tao na to. Okay, 9 of Wands. Pagod na. And this person is trying to find ways how to get out of the situation. Yun nga, how to, ayan, may plano siya eh. Lagay ko lang dito. Okay? You have the Justice, you have the Two of Swords, and you have the King of Pentacles. Okay. This one you don't see coming, by the way. You have the World, the Ace of Wands, and the Ten. Alam mo, I feel like this person, gusto kanya makasama habang buhay. Nagkaroon na siya ng nagkaroon siya ng breakthrough or nagkaroon siya ng clarity na gusto niyang makasama habang buhay. The World, it's like, yeah, this could be a long distance relationship. My distance, it takes travel for you to get to one another, parang ganun. Okay. Nag-iisip siya, lagi siya nag-iisip. Okay, pinag-iisipan niya to ng maigi with the Four of Swords. Pinag-iisipan niya. And habang sa gabi, like, yeah, see? Talaga. Haba ng pasensya niya, ay, grabe, talaga. Gusto niya ng pagbabago. Okay? Nag-iisip tong person na to sa'yo, lagi. Iniisip niya. Ang dami niyang plano sa yung dalawa. Oh my God. Gusto niya ng pagbabago. Oh my God. See, parang gusto ka niyang tulungan na makaalis talaga sa sitwasyon na yan. Tutulungan ka niya. Let's see. Ngayon, you have the Justice, the Two of Swords, and the King of Pentacles. Okay. Pero alam mo itong person na to, naguguluhan siya. Naguguluhan pa rin siya. There is this indecision na parang, I feel like this person or someone here, this could be you, pwede rin ikaw to, na gulong-gulo ang isipan kung paano ba. Hindi niya alam kung anong desisyon niya. Parang tinitimbang pa niya yung desisyon niya. Okay? Pero may pera siya eh. May pera siya, may kaya siya. Mayaman, may kaya. Okay? With the King of Pentacles. Iniisip niya yung paano yung yung business or paano yung pera, paano like money is involved here, by the way, with this King of Pentacles. Money is involved. So maybe there has something to do with money, kaya may delays, may restrictions. Alam mo yung restrictions, yung bang may mga factors. Isa sa factors, yung money, kung bakit hindi kayo sa ngayon pa pwedeng magsama. Ayan. Yan ang kikita ko. So, there's someone here also parang naguguluhan siya kung kung sasabihin ba niya ang totoo or hindi. About sa nararamdaman niya. Because we have the moon. The moon is about our, the moon is about our feelings and emotions and our, yung natin, yung yearning. Alam mo yung yearning? Yung bang inaasam-asam natin sa buhay. And I feel like this person wants to tell you the truth. about something, about a decision or a plan that yung person mo meron. Kaya lang hindi mo niya siguro masabi-sabi, hindi pa pwedeng sabihin. This person is trying to get more information, but definitely, nag-iisip siya lagi. Sa gabi, hindi makatulog, ayan. Ang dami niyang, with the Seven of Cups, fantasizing. Fantasizing about the future ninyong dalawa. And slow moving siya. Gusto niya talagang maging smooth ang process, like gusto niya sigurado with the Knight of Pentacles. This is someone who's loyal, who's going to be loyal, devoted, and alam mo yun, determinado talaga. Pag sinabi niyang pag yung sinabi niya na itong gagawin niya, gagawin talaga niya yan. Pag pinag-iisipan niya, tingnan mo, King of Swords and the Knight of Pentacles, pinag-iisipan niya, pinaplano niya, gusto niya ng pagbabago. Ayan o, nag-iisip siya, paano mabago yung sitwasyon mo. Because you are, but for some of you, this is only a secret. Sikreto lang tong relationship. Doesn't have to be. Yung iba sa inyo doesn't have to be. But mostly, yung iba sa inyo is a secret relationship. Kayo lang dalawa nag-uusap about neto. So, ito ang plano niya. May plano siya. Pinag-isipan niya yan. Kung paano kanya, like, makuha, paano kanya matulungan sa sitwasyon mo. Ayan. Because he wanna win you. He wants to win. This is a competition between the other person. May kompetensya talaga nakikita with the Five of Wands. Ang gusto kanyang ipaglalaban kanya. Oh my goodness. I think that's the title. Ipaglalaban kanya, Aries. Ipaglalaban niya yung nararamdaman niya sa'yo. Let's see kung ano pa. You have the Empress. I feel, oh my God, this is strong feeling na ikaw, para sa kanya, ikaw si the one. Yung mga the one dyan. Yeah, he's hoping. Yeah, he's been soul searching. Look at that. He finally found the one. For most of you, iba sa inyo, this person is hoping na ikaw na talaga. Ikaw na talaga ang inaantay niya. Kasi itong Hermit kasi is searching, soul searching, finding, and this, with the Three of Wands, there is this Three of Wands kasi is hoping and expectations. He's going to expect na ikaw na talaga. And he believed that. He or she believed that na ikaw na talaga. If you are a woman, yeah. I really do feel na ikaw na si the one para sa kanya. Kaya nga ipaglalaban kanya eh. Kasi ipaglalaban niya itong relasyon na to, itong pagmamahal niya sa'yo, kung ano mang nararamdaman niya, ipaglalaban niya. Kasi ikaw, para sa kanya, Aries, ikaw na si the one. Oh my God, this is a long distance relationship. There's travel. Yes, see, we have the Ten of Pentacles and the Ace of Swords and the World. This means that this person na-realize niya with the Ace of Swords na ikaw ang gusto niya makasama habang buhay. Gusto niya mag-travel kayo. Oh my goodness, nakakainggit. Mag-travel kayo, gagala kayo. Oh my goodness, sana all. But anyways, yan ang nakikita ko. So, yan ang plano niya. May plano yung person mo. Okay? I feel like this person wanna do the right thing for you. May kaya to eh. May kaya. Very well off. Okay? Responsable. This person could already be a father. Doesn't have to be. Basta may kaya siya. Businessman, businesswoman. Ayan. But he's taking things slow. Kasi nga, gusto niya. Itong kasing tao na to, pinag-iisipan lahat niya ng mga galaw niya. Hindi siya basta-basta agad na, although andun yung excitement, andun yung gagawin niya na, kung kaya lang niyang gawin ngayon, gagawin niya. Pero, siya meticulosa na, pinaplano niya lahat Gusto niya talaga maging, kasi nga, gusto niya maging successful to. And it will be, with the World card, it will be a successful one. With the Ace of Swords, magiging successful ang plano nila. Plano niya sa'yo na maganda. Okay? Maganda. So, Aries, Sun, Rising, and Venus placements, yan po ang I'll tell you the zodiac signs here. You have Virgo, You have Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. You have Libra. Okay? Aquarius, Gemini, Libra. Ace of Swords, Aquarius, Gemini, Libra. Ano pa? Let's see. Tingnan natin. See? Oh my goodness! Ayan na. See? Talagang magbabago ang mundo mo. Okay? He wants to take that leap of faith. Magbabago ang mundo mo, Aries. Okay, dahil sa kanya. So, Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs yan po ang yung reading. Let me know in the comments if nag-resonate kayo. And from now on, yan, love life na tayo. Okay, monthly reading, career, business, and money, and of course, ano na. The rest reading, love life. So, ayan. Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising, if you are new, don't forget to subscribe and like this video para next time, wala kayong ma-miss na mga love readings dito. So, I'll see you guys next time. Ingat po. God bless. More power. Paalam.